Hello, this is Steve Beeson with American Ironworks. I'd like to describe the proper way to install the cable choker for the first time on your Hydroblast hoses. We want to create a lip barrier using the tape 11 inches off center of your fitting, 22 inches apart. So what we're going to do, take our marker, and from the center of your fitting here we'll come 11 inches out. We'll mark the hose like this. Again, we'll come 11 inches out this way and mark the hose. Check that to make sure that you're approximately 22 inches apart. We'll take our tape and we want to put 10 wraps. Over on this side, do the same thing. Once you do the tape one time, you should never have to do it again. That tape does two things. It tells the employee where to put the cable choker. We're always wanting to put the cable choker on this side of the tape. The tape creates a lip so that the cable choker will tighten in nicely. So it does two things. It tells the employee where to put the cable choker so that it's centered, and it also creates a barrier to make the cable choker actually tighten in. So. Just put your cable choker on one side until you make your connection. Make your connection like this. Make sure it's tightened up. We're not going to use a crescent wrench this morning, but if you're in the field, you'll know to do that. Just like that. Make sure that your tag here has the proper size on it. This one here is 13 millimeter at 20K. This is a 13 millimeter hose, 20K. One thing to make sure make sure that you install the cable choker on this side of the tape. Again, the tape is designed to not only keep the system centered this way, it creates a lip for this choker, the choker action to actuate, and it'll tighten in on the hose. So. There you go. We're going to do a test this morning between 8 and 10,000 psi. We've notched this fitting here to where we're going to cause the failure, and then the hose will blow apart and we'll see how the cable choker reacts. Thank you.